Hey, Mitch Morton here from Reclaimed and Rebuilt, and I'm just getting ready to get off work, and I'm about to head to the gym. And I know for a lot of people, it can be a little daunting trying to figure out exactly the best workout program. You can go online, you can look at forums. If you're old school like me, you used to pick up the Muscle and Fitness magazines and look at Arnold's, favorite workout program. But sometimes that's not the best way to do it. For me, what I have found that has actually worked really well for me is an app called RP Fitness. And with that, it allows you to select a lot of different types of workout programs depending on what you're trying to accomplish. It's really cool because it'll allow you to track your baseline, and then it'll actually systematically go through and increase your levels as you're updating. So if you select like a 5-week program, it'll go through and give you new goals and new targets and help keep you organized, keep you on track. So that way, when you're going to the gym, you're not just randomly selecting something that you think might be the best way to go. It's actually put together so that you can optimize your workout, keep track of it, and know where you're at in your progress. It's also got a notes section for putting down your notes, but more importantly, it allows you to track each set, the weight you're using, so you can really see measurable results and know where you're heading with it actually. So this is not a sponsored ad. They don't have any kind of referrals or anything like that, or else I'd put a link in the description for where to get it. And maybe I can still do that, I guess. I don't know. But it doesn't benefit me in any way, so this is completely unbiased. It's just something that I found that worked really well for me. I will say it's not cheap. It's not an inexpensive app, but I think anything that's worth having probably shouldn't be cheap. And in my mind, if you spend a little bit more on it, then you're probably a little more likely to use it as well. At least that's the way I am. So I am going to go ahead and get out of here and head to the gym, and maybe I can show you what that app looks like as well. So all right, so here at the gym now, and yeah, just getting ready to get my workout on. Like I was saying, the best thing to do is bring up your app, and basically it's going to look something like this right here. So I'm going to see if I can use some fancy editing here to kind of bring it in on my phone so you can actually see what it looks like. To get the app, simply go to the App Store and type in RP Hypertrophy. To rebuild your body, you can't just guess in the gym. You need data. This is the exact app I use to track every single workout. It completely replaces the old notebook. I just open it up and log my weights and reps right there on the floor. It tracks my progress, so I always know exactly what to lift next to keep growing. Don't know where to start? The Templates tab is loaded with pre-built routines designed by actual pros to maximize your results. They also have a massive exercise library if you want to build your own. Stop guessing. Start tracking your data. And then you just go through and you just log everything. You're going to put in what the weight was, what the rep was. It's going to ask you how it felt. Did you push yourself? How did it feel in your joints? And all that. And then it's going to take all that feedback into account so that when you get ready to do your, the next time you do that exercise on the next day, upcoming day, then it's going to have that information in there, and it's going to know whether to push you to the next weight level or to increase your reps. But that way you're making constant progress and you're not injuring yourself as well. So it's a really cool deal. Like I said, it's one that I like. I've tried several different ones, but it's the one that works best for me. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention too, one of the things I really like about this app is that if there's a new exercise that you're not exactly familiar with, there's a section where you can actually click on the exercise and then actually select video, and then it has a tutorial how to properly walk through and do the exercise correctly. Remember, one of the big things about doing your exercises is making sure your form is proper. You can go through the motions, but if you don't have the correct, the proper form, then you're really just kind of wasting your time, and it could possibly lead to injury as well. So really focus on your form as well, and the videos will show you step by step how to do that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found some value, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. See you on the next one.